wireless outdoor siren is not included in the TAURUS O3 plug-and-play alarm system basic package. It is possible to purchase it separately. The wireless outdoor siren is a radio-controlled siren that acts as a peripheral device to the TAURUS O3 plug-and-play alarm system. It has a powerful siren and an optical signaling device. The siren is powered by a replaceable lithium-ion battery that is charged by the solar cell integrated in the device. The backup battery provides power for up to 45 days. In order to install the device, open the siren's cover by removing the small screw. For maximum convenience, first unplug the solar panel's connector cable. Then remove the waterproof rubber covering that protects the electronics. After that, remove the safety strip on the blue battery. Next, hold the siren up to the place it is to be mounted, with the up arrow pointed upwards, and paying attention to the spirit level. Mark and drill 4 holes and mount the siren using the screws provided. Finally, put the cover back on. Make sure you connect the solar cell again and that the siren is switched on. Screw the case back on using the screw provided. Your outdoor siren is now ready for use. You can find out more detailed information in the accompanying instruction manual. It is possible to program up to 50 wireless sensors, 10 wireless remote controls, and 50 RFID chips in the control panel. TAURUS, always on the safe side.